Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Dewi Prima. I'm from TELLA class. So in here I would like to make a video learning about teaching simple future tense. Okay, before we start our lesson today, I want to ask to you, what will life be like in 2050? Oke, nah pasti dari kalian akan ada yang menjawab bahwa 2050 akan pergi ke Amerika, atau aku akan jadi pengusaha, atau akan jadi apa seperti itu. Oke, so today we'll discuss about it. So let's start it. Simple future tense. Nah, when we use simple future tense, we use simple future tense if use something will do later. Nah, usually biasa ditandai dengan conjunction simple form of the verb plus will. For example, simple form of study to be will study. For example, when I am in graduate school, I will study at Harvard University. I will study every night next week. And this is the formula of simple future tense verbal sentences. As a subject plus will plus verb 1 as simple verb. Okay. For affirmative sentence with the subject I, you, they, we. And the negative sentence I and the subject I, you, we, they, she, it, will plus not. And for yes or no questions, diawali dengan will plus subject I, you, they, we, he, she, it, and the verb simple verb. So for example, the sentence like this: affirmative, I will run. For the negative, I will not run. And for the yes or no questions, like will you run? The next is the formula simple future tense for nominal sentences. The formula is subject plus will plus be plus ana or adjective or noun and adverb. First, affirmative sentence, the subject I, you, we, they, he, she, it will be happy. Negative, I, you, we, they, he, it will plus not be happy. For yes or no questions, will I, you, we, they, he, she, it be happy? Okay, to check your understanding about simple future tense, let's try to do this exercise. Put the verbs in brackets in simple future. Okay, you can write in your book, yeah. The number 1 is I blah 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 go to the cinema next weekend. Okay, there are simple verbs go, yeah. So you can put the verbs I will. You can add by will. I will go to the cinema next weekend. Okay, number 2, they blah 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 wash their car when they have the time. What the verbs? Okay, yeah. They will wash their car when they have the time. Okay, next to the second exercise. Make the sentence in negative forms. Number 1, John's blah 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 eat ice cream. Nah, there are simple verb eat, ya. Jadi untuk negative form kita tambahi not. So John will not eat ice cream. Oke, untuk nomor seterusnya bisa kalian kerjakan sebagai latihan, ya. The third exercise, complete the sentences with will or won't not or will not. Number 1, your case is very heavy. I blah 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 it for you. There are simple verb carry, ya. So you can add will in the sentence to be I will carry it for you. The fourth exercise. Complete the sentences with the interrogative form of the verb in brackets. Number 1. Bla bla bla, he or become a vet. Nah, ini kan kalimat interrogatif atau pertanyaan. Jadi yang pertama yang di depan adalah will. Jadi sesuai dengan formula of simple future tense verbal sentences, will plus subjects plus simple verb. So, kalimat nomor 1 menjadi will he become a vet? As you know, to state about future, you can only use will, but you can use be going to. Jadi kalian bisa menggunakan will, bisa pakai be going to. Nah, namun bedanya di sini kapan pakai will adalah will used for future predictions, promises or requests or refusals or offer, and future conditionals. Sedangkan be going to, it used plans and intentions and then future prediction. There are example of exercise of when we used be going to and when we use will. So for the number first, are you busy Saturday next? I have got front row seats for the baseball. B. Oh, I wish I could, but I cannot. I am going to be at my niece's wedding on Saturday. In this dialogue, state about the plans. So it used I'm going to. So I am going to be at my niece's wedding on Saturday. Jadi dia itu rencananya dia akan pergi ke pernikahan sepupunya. So to the double YH question in simple future, you can look at this picture. Question what, who, what, there is no subject. So the what, when, where, why, how, itu memakai subject. So this is for examples of using double YH questions. Number 1, there are sentence, the package will arrive next week. In that exercise, you ask to make a double YH questions with the underlined word, the package and next week's. From the underlined word, the pages can make a double YH questions like what will arrive tomorrow. Then the underlined word next week can make a double YH questions like when will the package arrive. So to check your understanding, you can try to do this exercise. Okay, good luck. Thank you.